Hey guys, it's Mozzy. Since it's freezing cold today in New York, I'm gonna do a quick, easy install. Take about 5 minutes worth of time. What am I talking about? Third brake light. We're gonna change the OEM brake light to Morimoto brake light. It's gonna look nice. The only thing you need is a screwdriver. So let's have some fun and let's get it done. Alright, so this is real simple. Here's a third brake light. It's being held by these two Phillips head screws. So let's take them out. Right here. So now, see this little connect pin right here. So just press this, pull. That's it. There goes the whole piece. Now grab the Morimoto one, put it in the same connection, same spot, like that. Just flip it the other way once we're done. Make sure it makes a good connection. Hear that click? There you go. And now I'm going to put it back. I don't put it too tight yet. Make it a little loose so you can put the other screw in. It's really hard to do with the camera right in front of you. Done over tighten. Alright, that's it, done. Now let's test it out. Hey, if you like my content, please like and subscribe. Now let's continue. Alright guys, all finished up. It only took 5 minutes to do. Real quick, I think it looks great. The new third brake light, it looks awesome with the rest of the black pieces. I think it's gonna be brighter. Really nice quality. Really good finish all around. But time to get out of the cold and see you next time.